Hello friends and student, again welcome to my channel Maths Tips for You. In this video we are going to learn what is meant by cube root of unity. This is, we have started algebra of a complex number. This is a part 7 and part 1 to part 6. The link of which is given below in the description. The student who are not watched all these videos, part 1 to part 6, I request them to watch all these videos and then start with the part 7. Here I am going to discuss the cube root of unity. The cube root of unity means the number whose index is raised to 3, you will get 1. So we shall discuss this. The cube root of unity means cube root of 1. This is the cube root of unity. Now let us denote this is by a x. X is equal to cube root of 1. Therefore, x is equal to 1 raised to 1 by 3. Therefore, raising the index by 3, it is become x cube is equal to 1. Taking 1 to the left hand side, x cube minus 1 is equal to 0. Here 1 means 1 raised to 3. We know that a cube minus b cube, the factor of a cube minus b cube is a cube. First factor is a minus b. Second factor is a square plus ab plus b square. Similarly, we factorize this also, x cube minus a cube. First factor is x minus 1, second factor is a square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, x plus 1 is 0 or x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 1 or x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now, this is quadratic in x square, which is quadratic in x square. We directly cannot factorize this, so we compare this equation with a quadratic equation. Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We get the coefficient of x square, that is a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1 and c is equal to 1. Therefore, root of the equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is x is equal to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon twice a. Therefore, in this case b is 1, a is 1, c is 1. So, it is minus 1 plus or minus under root of minus 1 bracket square minus 4 minus 1 into minus 1 divided by a is plus 1, c is plus 1. So, it is 2 into 1. Therefore, x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus, here b is 1, b1 it is 1 minus 4 upon 2. Therefore, x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus under root of 1 minus 4, that is minus 3 upon 2. Therefore, x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus under root of 3 into under root of minus 1 upon 2. Therefore, x is equal to minus 1 plus or minus under root of 3. Under root of minus 1 is I, by definition it is minus 1 plus or minus under root 3 I upon 2. These are the values of the x. Therefore, x is equal to minus 1 plus root 3 into I upon 2, or x is equal to minus 1 minus root 3 I upon 2. Therefore, cube root of unity, unity means 1, are 1 minus 1 plus root 3 I upon 2 and minus 1 minus root 3 I upon 2. The first one is real, one is real, and other two are complex conjugate. Other two roots are complex conjugate of each other. One is real, other two are complex, they are conjugate of each other. Therefore, let us denote the one complex root as alpha, minus 1 plus root 3 I upon 2, and other complex number by beta, minus b minus root 3 I upon 2. If we take the square of the alpha, alpha square is equal to minus 1 plus root 3 I upon 2 its square. Therefore, squaring this, minus 1 plus root 3 I bracket square is 1 minus 2 root 3 I plus root 3 square is 3 I square upon 2 square is become 4, is equal to I square is equal to minus 1. Therefore, 1 minus root 3 I minus 3 upon 4. I square is minus 1, 3 into minus 1 it is minus 3, minus 3 plus 1 it is minus 2, minus 2 root 3 I upon 2, taking 2 common, minus 1 minus root 3 I upon 2, 2 get cancelled. So, this is equal to minus 1 minus root 3 I, here it is 4. So, it is 2 into 2, 1 2 is get cancelled. Now, it is remain 2. Now, observe that minus 1 minus root 3 I upon 2 is same as beta, and so this is equal to beta. That it means that alpha square is equal to beta. Similarly, we can show that beta square is equal to alpha. It is left to an exercise for a student. You have to show that taking beta and squaring it, it will get alpha. It is an exercise for the student. So, we get alpha and beta. Alpha square is equal to beta and beta square is equal to alpha. Therefore, now we denote alpha, that is minus 1 plus root 3 I upon 2 as another notation omega. Now, denote omega is equal to minus 1 plus root 3 I upon 2. Therefore, its square is minus 1 minus root 3 I upon 2. Therefore, finally, the cube root of unity are 1, second is omega, third is omega square, where omega is equal to minus 1 plus root 3 I upon 2 or omega may be equal to minus 1 minus root 3 I upon 2. This is about the complex number. This is about the cube root of unity. The cube root of unity are one which is real number and other two are a complex number. That is omega is minus 1 plus root 3 I upon 2, or omega may be minus 1 minus root 3 I upon 2. So, these are the cube root of unity.